Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Zoom on your tablet and signing in. This gets you into meetings quickly. Once done, grant camera and microphone permissions so audio and video work without interruptions. Make sure you're on a reliable Wi-Fi network or a cellular plan with at least 2 Mbps upload, because video needs steady bandwidth. Tap Join or New Meeting to begin. This first step sets up everything Zoom requires to connect, so you don't lose time troubleshooting later. You'll join the meeting by entering the ID or tapping the link. Choose a clear display name so others recognize you. Next, select Join with Device Audio. This routes sound through the tablet's mic and speakers. If audio fails, switch to Dial In. Then start video and pick front or rear camera. Touch the screen to focus and pinch to zoom if necessary. Make sure to mute when not speaking to reduce background noise. These steps control how you appear and sound to others. You control your presence with the toolbar. Mute or unmute, stop video, open chat, and use reactions. Quick actions that keep meetings smooth. Once done, tap participants to raise your hand or see the host's controls. Switch between gallery and speaker views depending on whether you want to see everyone or the speaker. If something goes wrong, audio or video drops. Reconnect Wi-Fi, force close and reopen Zoom, or reinstall the app. Also recheck microphone and camera.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.